Jewelry, of course, is done by Queenie. Queenie का show था, and I think all the pieces were beautiful, and it's part of our Art Deco collection. And what I'm wearing today, I think Queenie should talk about it. You should tell them what this is.
Well, she's wearing a emerald necklace और बिल्कुल भरा हुआ है, पर फिर भी delicate है. तो even though जैसे बना है mesh type बना है, तो लगता है कि भारी है, but it's still very very delicate.
You know, honestly, I was discussing with Queenie actually कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा heavy pieces नहीं पसंद है, but at the same time I think I like a statement piece which is very understated luxury. बहुत loud नहीं है, it's not like shouting that अरे इतना expensive पहना है, you know. It's got so much grace and elegance in it, and that's I think what is special about her jewelry.
And look at the way she's carried it off. कितनी सुंदर लग रही है.
It's beautiful.
ओके, अच्छी के साथ में कोई ऐसी मेमोरीज है कोई जर्नी के साथ में जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा इस जर्नी के साथ में आप कनेक्ट हो, कोई ऐसी मेमोरी?
एक मेरी मदर का ऐसा ही सिमिलर पहले कहते थे, वो हार होता था, you know, जाली वाला काम होता था. So वो मुझे बहुत पसंद था, and she wore it on her wedding. तो वो उन्होंने मुझे दिया था, and I wore it on my wedding. So that is a very special. अभी भी है मेरे पास. Yes. So that's special.